Hello everyone, welcome to today's unboxing video. Today we have one of the WeVolve boxes. I believe this is their Esoteric bi-monthly box. So they have two boxes, WeVolve. So they have the bi-monthly Esoteric, of course, and then they also have the Wisdom Keepers book box, and they alternate months. And I'm pretty sure this is the Esoteric one. We will verify that in just a second. So yeah, let's just get that open so I can tell you more about the correct box. Thank you guys so much for being here. I'm filming a little bit later than usual. I think this will probably go up late, so just FYI. I hear a bell, I think. Look how beautiful. Okay, let's just take a peek. Okay, it's the Esoteric box. So this one is the one that's a little bit more expensive. It's around $49.99, I believe. And it's all around a theme, an esoteric theme. You get a bunch of items. It's really great. This one I got on Cratejoy. I will link them down below. They usually have a code, which I will double check and leave below as well, on Cratejoy to save some money on your first box. It is awesome. They just completed a series that was all about each of the elements, and I thought they did a great job on that. So they always have a little card right on top that talks about all the items inside, but also doubles as like an art print and an affirmation. It says, keep rosemary by your garden gate. Let lavender or plant lavender for luck. Fall in love whenever you can. So I'm gonna say that again because I feel like I messed it up. Keep rosemary by your garden gate. Plant lavender for luck. Fall in love whenever you can. And the theme is practical magic. I love that. That's a book I kind of read recently. I just like kind of, because I didn't finish it. I saw the movie. It was good. I'm just like not a fan of reading fiction. I'm really into nonfiction books. I don't even know why I'm telling you this, but I would love to. This is like spooky season. I would love to watch the movie. So, oh, look at this month's box is based upon the Practical Magic book series written by Alice Hoffman. Oh, it's a series. Cool. These books have always had me thinking that Alice must have some knowledge of the nameless art because of the accurate wisdom that they contain. This box is here to serve as a reminder of the magic that you are, the innate wisdom that you possess, and the divine feminine power that you carry within you. Many of us had lifetimes during the witch trials and experienced the suppression and demonization of the divine feminine wisdom. And this subversion has persisted across centuries. As we experience this planetary awakening, we have the blessing of rediscovering our power, our magic, and our knowing. Because, my darling, there's a little witch in all of us. Hi, Emmy. She just came up. So list all the items and give a description here. And then there's also like a suggested meditation on the bottom as well. Oh, it's got to be a protection thing with the bells. Look how beautiful they package everything. I think, let's look at this first. I think, yes, it is for your doors. Oh my God, I'm so excited about this. This is beautiful. Emmy, maybe I can get Emmy to come up. I have her little thing here. Come sit next to me. I always leave this here, so maybe she'll sit on it in my videos, but she usually doesn't, probably because of light. But you put this on your door, and the bells, like, protect you. Like, I actually have bells on my front door that's not as cute as this. I should switch it off. And it falls off sometimes, especially when, like, maintenance people or other people are over. And I'm like, is that a bad sign? But, yeah, let's see what it says, because I'm not really good with my words right now. Oh, look, there's some clear quartz on it. Oh, my God. I am obsessed with this. I've seen, like, people make their own of these, but I've never made my own or had one. Let's see. Witch Bells by WeVolve Box. Witch bells are spiritual tools for protection, positive energy, and abundance. They are created to be hung on the doorknob of your front door, announcing visitors, but also keeping negative energy and entities at bay. Each witch's bell was handcrafted and programmed by me. No two are alike, and you receive the exact combination of color, crystal bead, and intention that you need. I love this. I love the colors. We've got purple, and then the clear quartz, and the bells. This is beautiful. I am putting this on my door ASAP. Oh my God, I love it. Okay, let's keep going. We have a Palo Pop. I feel like I've gotten one of these before. So this is Palo Santo, and it has herbs and stuff on it. Let's see what it says. So Palo Santo, beeswax, lavender, and rosemary for luck and remembrance. Light the beeswax and herb tip over a heat-safe surface as wax may drip. Allow to burn until the Palo Santo catches fire, then blow out and use the smoke to clear and uplift your space. I love Palo Santo. I use it often in between readings and stuff. I haven't been doing readings for like over a week now because I don't think everyone wants to see this. But it's healing now. Like the fact that I can do this is amazing. Soon I'll be able to shuffle like tomorrow. I probably could now, but I know. I'll stop. I won't show you my foot. It looks worse than that. How did I get in there? Oh, because I haven't been lighting it as much. I lit it once today, but I love Palo Santo. That's my point. And the Palo Pops is a cool twist to it. There's Emmy. Rosemary for remembrance, lavender for luck, and Palo Santo to raise the vibration of your space. And then it gives you another safety instruction again. I love this. I'm excited about that. Ooh, do we have a little bracelet here? What's this? Blue string bracelet. If a woman is in trouble, she should always wear blue for protection. This is not only a folk magic belief, but it is seen in traditions across time and cultures. We anointed it with a little protection oil for good measure, which you can find in our metaphysical shop at WeVolveBox.com. I love that. I've heard of like certain cultures having, oh, I don't have any jewelry on, having red bracelets on, but this is interesting. I'm going to look into that more. I love the idea of it, and I love the color. Let's see what else we have. Well, is this a crow or a raven? It's got to be a crow, right? Yeah, it's an onyx crow. So cool. Oh my God, I love it. Look at its eye. Crow familiars are found across the series and are symbolic of intelligence, transformation, and adaptability. Onyx is a stone of protection, strength, focus, and willpower. It aids in releasing negative emotions and fostering hope. I love this. I love crystals, and this is extra special. I don't have any like in the shape of a crow, and I love crows. I was saying that the other day. There was a bunch like in Marco Island where it was, and I said something about how I love crows. I'm like, do you guys? And everyone's like, no. I'm like, you know, they're not really witchy spiritual people. Love it though. There's something big wrapped up here. Ooh, is it a candle or herbs? Like, how do you get this out? Oh, here we go. Oh, it looks like herbs. Tea. Courage tea. Always choose courage. This is so cute. I love this. And I love tea. Oh, it says thing on the top. Let's read that. Ingredients: organic mullein. I never know if I'm saying that right. Mullein. Organic thyme, organic ginger root, butterfly pea, and currants. It's gonna be so good. So it's fully packed. I love tea. So I think, yeah, this is caffeine free. I can have some. As in now, because it's like almost 5 p.m. Let's see, where is it on here? So Courage Tea by WeVolve Box. This tea blend took its inspiration from the Practical Magic book series, but we added a few other herbs to increase its nutritive quality and magical intention. All of these herbs are known to instill courage and strength. When courage is needed, add 1 teaspoon of tea to 8 to 12 ounces of boiling water. Let steep for at least 4 minutes, and remember to always choose courage. I love that. This is so cute. I like everything so much. Oh my gosh. And now we have some soap. Maria Owens black soap. Oh, the Owens. I know enough about the movie and the books. Ooh, there's some herbs on top. You see that? Look, there's a seal. I love this. Let's see what's in it. Made under the waxing crescent moon, infused with earth, energy, and love. Created by Purple Fence Farm in Frederick, Colorado. Yeah, I love this. Julie Goddard created this magical black soap especially for our collective. It's so cool. She used inspiration from the book series and her knowledge of plant medicine in its creation. Hazelnut oil is a natural senolytic which selectively clears senescent cells. That's cool. I'm like all about that, like in terms of like my fasting I do and everything. But that's cool. I didn't know that about hazelnut oil. In non-sciencey terms, it helps youth the skin. I love that, non-sciencey terms. In the book series, the Owens Family Black Soap is known to take 10 years off your appearance. When you want another bar, use the discount code PurpleFenceFarmLove23 at purplefencefarm.com. I am so excited to try this and look more into hazelnut oil. I'm such a nerd. I love learning all these sciencey terms. Oh my God, I love it. And then Ooh, we have another stone here, and like I'm blinking. This is so cool. Is it kyanite? I'm so proud that I'm holding my arm up right now, okay? I don't know if proud's the right word. I'm happy I can do it right now. This is the Witch's Broom card charm, I'm guessing. Yep, it is kyanite. Okay, so many of these items were made. I'm gonna switch hands. So many of these items were made by hand, this charm included, because you all deserve all of the magic. Witch's Broom, which is black kyanite, is a highly protective stone and can be used to sweep away negative energy and cut cords of attachment. Witch burrs are also highly protective and are used in hoodoo and folk magic for this purpose. These witch burrs are anointed with protection oil for extra oomph. Oh man, I love this. And you don't need to put it in your car. You can put this anywhere. Like me, I don't have a car right now, so I will find use for this for sure. This is so cool. I love this so much, and I think that's everything. Let me take a look. Yeah, I think this is such a good box. I love it. I actually had to pause my subscription. This is what I paid for. I don't get sent free for review, just for money reasons and stuff, you know. Like, but I love this one. I love getting it. So right off the bat, okay, what's my favorite? We got this protection charm for your door. This car protection one too. The courage tee, the bracelet for protection, the crow, the soap, the Palo Pop. I love everything. I think this is my favorite. I think this is what I'm like trying to think of what I got like the most excited for, and I think it's this. I'm so excited. I'm like gonna put this right on my door. Maybe I'll like cleanse it and set my intention, but I get such good vibes and energy from all the items that come from this box. Like they really do make a lot of this themselves and also infuse their own magic, their own energy and high vibes into everything they send out, which I appreciate and I can feel. So I don't, you know, with their items, I don't feel like I like have to cleanse it, you know? It's more like I'm so used to doing that. But I mean, I believe in the power of intention. So I'll definitely do that. But yeah, I think this is my favorite. I would love to hear what your favorite item is. I think I'm gonna make some courage tea. I'm trying to think, what do I need the courage to do? I haven't been doing as much because I've been hurt, you know. I did finally walk outside. I keep showing you guys that. I think I'm just so happy I can put my arm up before I could really not bend it. And I walked. I live on the top floor of my apartment and there isn't an elevator, so I finally left today and I walked to the mailbox and back. And I was a little nervous, but I just like, you know what, F it, I'm just gonna do it. And I did it. So that took a little courage, but yeah, just to get back on my feet again, literally, and like also to do all the things I have to do. But anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling. I hope you guys are well. Have a great weekend if you're watching this in real time. Have a great spooky season. Have a great day, night, whenever you're watching this. I love you guys so much. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like this video, leave a comment, share it if you want to, and do something special for yourself. You deserve it. You are worthy of being happy and feeling good. I love you so much. Bye.